conduct local SEO keyword research. First, understand your target audience and their goals. It is essential to understand your target audience and their ultimate goals. Identifying your audience allows business to focus your marketing efforts and dollars on the group most likely to buy from you. Next, find what keywords your target audience is searching for. Your ideas for starting local keyword research serves as your seed keywords. Then, determine search volume and keyword difficulty. The higher a keyword search volume, the more difficult it will be to rank in the search results. And also, analyze your target keywords. Ensure your web page aligns with searchers' intent and the other results shown. Analyzing your target keywords help you to find places to optimize and overtake competitors by telling you places to go to enhance your SEO strategy.